Ciao.
This process is the same for most Hondas, but please, please, please be careful while you're messing with your airbags. This process can be used to clear your SRS light after you've replaced airbag components. If the light comes right back on, then you still have a problem. In this video, this was performed on a 2004 Honda Odyssey, so this is where you can find the SCS connector for this second gen Odyssey, which is 1999 to 2004. Look for the yellow SCS connector above the driver's kick panel on the left-hand side. Remove it from its holder, and if you don't have the special tool, you can use 2 pieces of wire to make a bridge. The wires together, turn the key to on, not run. So they're connected. Light goes off, disconnect. Light comes on, connect. Disconnect. And flashes twice and we're good. Hell yeah. Oh, fuck. I did pull the code for this vehicle and it does have a problem with the driver's side seatbelt. Hopefully you managed to clear all your codes and also your SRS light with this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.